One of the fastest growing forms of commercial real estate investment is the self-storage industry, which fills a need for millions of Americans. The Gorman Group, based out of Marcus and Millichap's Atlanta office, is the self-storage hub for the southeastern states and specializes in bringing value from initial acquisition to ultimately maximizing return upon the final sale of the property. And here to tell us more is Vice President Stacy Gorman. Stacy, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
What makes the Gorman Group an invaluable resource for commercial real estate investors?
Well, the Gorman Group specializes in the niche product of self-storage. Self-storage is both a business and real estate. And we have, as a team, over 30 years experience. So we have seen hundreds of self-storage facilities and really understand both the operations and the best practices that we can then share with individual owners.
Why is the self-storage industry experiencing such rapid growth?
Well, the self-storage industry is really resistant to whatever type of economy we're in, whether it's strong or weak, because through the recession, as people needed to downsize or move back in with mom and dad, you still needed self-storage. And during the good times, people have more things and need a place to store it. So it's an industry that does not have a downtime, and it's also an industry that you can get into fairly easy now. With SBA loan, a new investor can get in with as little as 15% down. Plus, your interest rates are at an all-time low, making this an opportune time to get into the self-storage industry.
Well, one of your strategies is to focus on rental rate management. Tell us about that.
Rental rate management is fairly new, and it's something that the REITs perfected in increasing their cash flow and bottom line. Basically, with self-storage, your rental rates are changed every month. But in actuality, most owners don't change the rental rates year over year. So by looking at your rental rates and understanding that they can be changed every month, you can really increase your cash flow. And there are strategies to do this that I can help an owner understand so that their occupancy is not impacted, but their cash flow is improved and thus improving the value of their property.
That was Stacy Gorman with the Gorman Group. Learn more at marcusmillichap.com.